Good day, everyone. We are Team Nexus, and we are presenting our research on the economic challenges and academic achievements of information technology undergraduates in a state university. This study was guided by Mrs. Geraldine Mangmang. Now, let us introduce ourselves.
I am Jan Herbie C. Lamadoro.
And I am Vince Romeo Relente.
And myself, Jerbin Calibot. We will walk you through our research journey and share the key findings regarding financial strain, resource access, and academic impact among information technology students at Southern Leyte State University. Background of the study. This study aims to explore how economic challenges such as financial strain and limited access to resources impact the academic achievement of information technology students at Southern Leyte State University. Information technology students, as we all know, heavily rely on digital tools and technology for their education. When students face challenges related to finances and access to resources, it can create significant barriers to their academic success. Problem statement. We identified several problems faced by IT students at Southern Leyte State University. First, many IT students face financial difficulties that negatively impact their academic performance and well-being. Second, limited access to device and internet, financial strain, and academic challenges which are essential for their studies and online classes. Third, there's limited data and the specific impact of economic challenges on academic success for IT students in state universities. Our research has three main objectives. First is to address the economic challenges that affect the academic achievements of IT undergraduates. Second, to identify the specific types of economic challenges and their prevalence. Third, to determine the relationship between these challenges and the student's academic performance.
For our methodology, we employed a correlational research design to analyze the relationship between financial strain, resource access, and academic impact. We used random sampling to select information technology undergraduates from Southern Leyte State University. We gathered data through a structured questionnaire using a Likert scale to measure the severity of financial strain, resource access, and academic impact. We analyzed the data using Microsoft Excel to calculate the mean, standard deviation, and perform Pearson correlation analysis. This is the results of the respondents for financial strain, resource access, and academic impact. We analyzed the data using basic descriptive statistics and Pearson correlation to determine the relationship between financial strain, resource access, and academic impact. Based on the results, we observed the following. Financial strain, the mean score of 2.69 in the AGRI range, indicates that financial strain is a moderate concern for most students, with 50% agreeing that they face significant financial difficulties. These financial pressures impact their ability to afford daily needs, school materials, and transportation. Resource access, the mean score of 2.78, slightly higher than financial strain, suggests that students experience moderate to significant challenges in accessing reliable devices and the internet. More than half of the students rely on external resources like internet cafes to complete their schoolwork. Academic impact with the highest mean score of 2.86. Academic impact is the most affected dimension, indicating that financial strain and resource limitations significantly affect academic performance. Students report decreased motivation, concentration, and academic success due to financial and technological barriers.
In our analysis, we examine the correlations between financial strain, resource access, and academic impact. We use Pearson's correlation coefficients to measure the strength and direction of these relationships. In financial strain to academic impact, we found a moderate positive correlation. As financial strain increased, so did the academic impact, meaning that students who face more financial challenges are more likely to report a negative effect on their academic performance. This confirms that financial difficulties significantly affect academic success. In resource access and academic impact, we found a moderate negative correlation. As resource access decreased, academic impact increased, indicating that lack of resources like device and internet worsen academic performance. Finally, financial strain to resource access shows a moderate negative correlation as well. As financial strain increase, access to resources decrease, reinforcing the idea that financial difficulties limit students' ability to access the tool necessary for their education. In conclusion, financial strain and limited access to resources are major barriers for IT students. 40 to 60% of students reported difficulties related to financial strain and resource access, which negatively impact their motivation, academic performance, and overall well-being. These findings emphasize the importance of addressing these issues to improve student success.
Based on our findings, we recommend providing more financial support like scholarships and grants to reduce financial strain, increasing access to technology, including providing devices and internet support for students, offering academic support services to help students cope with the financial difficulties and improve academic performance.